We're not going to be filling out all of this. Absolutely not. But
this is Sean. Sean's a Twitch streamer from Scotland. Yay, Scotland. Sean also happens to be my actual real life boss. Recently in a discussion with Sean, I let him know I have a 3D printer, and Sean asked me if I could print out a lit up version of his logo. So I thought, why not make a video out of it? Here it goes.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Count what you have now, don't count what you don't have. Count what you have now, don't count what you don't have.
So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take Sean's logo here, and I'm going to import it into SolidWorks and highlight all the outer layers of it, so that I can get a base shape to work with. Okay, so we've now got the ST logo itself here, up and ready. Because this is going to be like a light, it needs like a background behind it, and to fix it into the back I'm just going to flip this over and put a wee offset around the edges of it, have the whole thing just sort of indented a little bit, something that I can glue around. Okay, so we've got the main ST part done now. Just took tracing out the edges, and then finally around the back here I've done a 2mm offset for each of these, and I've extruded it out by a few millimeters, just so that when it gets round to actually printing off the other part of the light, it's easy to glue together. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this into an assembly and design the backing plate around this, just with another offset following the rough shape of the full kit. Okay, so I've touched up a little bit, just taking the outside edge, put some chamfers and fillets around the edges, just to make it seem a little bit smoother and more flowing around the edges. And then there I've extruded it a bit too thick. I've levelled it down to just about in line with the offset we had from the initial logo, and I've given it a little bit of an offset just to account for the fact that the printer is not going to print at 100% accurate. I'm going to just extend this out by enough that I could fit some LED light strips in the back, and design a back plate to go on it now. That's that done there. I've just stuck a 2mm offset right the way around the edges, and I've extruded it back by 20-ish mm, just to give it enough to wrap a light strip around the back here. Now I'm just going to project the geometry of this right the way around and pull a cover on the back. So there's the backing cover on there. whole thing's finished. I'm just going to do some quick renders with some black and white and maybe some lighting effects on it, and send it over to Sean and ask him what he thinks.
Check it.
Right, so we spoke to Sean and he's happy to go ahead with it. He prefers the black background with the white text, so we're going to go ahead and do that one for him. You know what? Yeah.
Okay, so printed the main part, the black bit and the white bit. Mimi, Birdbrain, Jamie did not think build plane Ender 3 Pro fucking disgusting and rancid. So looking at this bit, it's kind of really rough looking. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to print it again with a raft so that it's not directly touching the build plane, and hope that that comes out looking a little bit better and less scuffed. But that's going to take 11 hours. Also, this piece of shit, real pain in the ass. This black filament is apparently shit now, doesn't work properly. This clogged. Fucking another one that I had clogged, had to buy 20 nozzles, another roll of filament. It's a real fucking dick. Yeah, fuck off, that one's not getting time lapsed.
Okay, so I've now glued the white part to the black piece, and the next step I want to do is I want to melt a hole on the side so I can get the power into the LED light strip. I don't really have anything to do that with, so I'm just going to heat this nail up with a lighter and just keep poking at it until a hole's big enough. Okay, hole big enough now. Pog champ, epic moment. I think it's finally time to add the lights in. The casing is thick enough for me to be able to add 2 light strips in, as well as I'm going to try and put some around the actual base of it just to give it a little bit more glow, hopefully. Hi, Future Jamie here. I just wanted to let you know, while I was recording this, I may have accidentally bashed the OBS cancel recording button on my keyboard, so I only have half of the footage for this, because I am a dumbass. And with that, all I've got to do now is put the back on and admire the finished product.
I am Warhol. I am Shakespeare in the flesh. We the real rock stars, and I'm the biggest of all of them.
I attended Harlem picnics where you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling Nicks at night. I was only 8 years old watching Nick at night.
But yeah, there's the light itself done. I'm pretty happy with it, but that's not what matters. So let's go see what the big man himself thinks of it.
Oh, you sent me some pictures. You sent me some pictures. Oh my God, Jamie! 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 Look at this! Look at this! Look at what this wee belter has made! Jamie, let me pay you a ridiculous sum of money because, oh my God. PogChamp.
So yeah, I reckon I liked it.